Today on Mike Attempts, filling a windshield chip. You're probably not going to get perfect results from a windshield repair kit, but that's okay. The point is to fill the chip to prevent further cracking and wiper blade damage. These simple kits are usually under $10 and contain everything you see here. The kit specifically says it's not recommended for spider cracks, but the main goal is to make the windshield smooth again. Clean the area around the chip with rubbing alcohol, and then use the pin to remove any loose particles of glass. Blow the chip clear with some compressed air. Peel the film from one side of the seal and line up the center hole over the chip with the little tab at the top. Peel the film from the other side and attach the plastic pedestal, making sure to line up the tabs. Sunlight cures the resin, so make sure you do the following steps in the shade. Cut the tip off the resin tube and slowly squeeze most of the resin into the pedestal. Put the lid back on the tube and wipe off any excess resin. Press the syringe into the pedestal and hold it down with one hand while pulling the plunger up with the other. Lock the plunger into place on the lower notch to create a vacuum. Here's a better angle of the plunger locked into the lower notch. Let it sit for 10 minutes to remove all the air. Momentarily remove the syringe from the pedestal to break the vacuum and let air into the syringe. Reinsert the syringe, twist the plunger to unlock, and while holding it with one hand, push the plunger down and twist to lock it into place on the upper notch. Let it sit for another 20 minutes to force the resin into the chip. Remove the syringe and throw it away. Use the razor to peel off the seal and pedestal. Wipe off any excess resin that drips down below the chip. Add a drip of the remaining resin to the center of the chip and then quickly cover it with the curing film. Use the razor to gently push out any air bubbles that are directly over the chip. Move the car into direct sunlight and allow the resin to cure for 15 minutes. Use the razor to remove the curing film and clean off the excess resin. The windshield is now nice and smooth. Here's the before and after comparison. See the description below for the kit I used. Feel free to rate this video, add your comments and questions below, and subscribe for more.